A little update. So, got somebody coming to get hay today, so we're going to load out a customer. I don't think there's any more coming. The baler. Good news. Figured it out. Figured out what the issue is. No bad news. So it's not a bad thing. It's a good thing. I'll show you here what was all screwed up. So in this cluster gear, or cluster of gears, you have two things. You have a shear bolt here that's specified for this, and then you have another bolt that goes through here, okay? This bolt was actually broken 3 places. It was broke like here, here. It was still in there. So once we started to see, make sure it was tight or whatever, this piece came off. Then he went down here and to try to grab this and pull this off. This piece came off, and then my father-in-law, Doug, took a punch, and we punched that out, put a new bolt in, so we're good there. And basically, there was so much play in this cam, especially down here. It was kind of riding on this piece instead of sitting on this edge, that the knives down here wouldn't reset. You would click them up, and they would stay up here, but as soon as the baler started running, it would shear off pretty much immediately. So yeah, so both these, this bolt is new, this bolt is new, and then I just called John Deere today and ordered backups. Which gets to an even crazier part, right? So I went through 6 shear pins. Yeah, 6 shear pins, 3 in 1 windrow, most recently when we were baling hay. And so I ordered 20 new shear pins, 20 new lock nuts. I ordered 2 of those ones up there and 2 of the backup ones over here. All said and done, $150 for 24 bolts and 24 nuts. Insanity. But it is what it is. I mean, you got to order this stuff just to have it. The baler's ready. So now, this horse hay, it's got to go today. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to get ready, and all that stuff's going to get loaded. Time to lower this down. on TikTok that I need to tune my rake, or, you know, make it wider or narrower or whatever, and it won't bunch up on me. So right now, I can't go any wider. If you're seeing I'm losing stuff on the end of my windrow because of how big these windrows are. I can't make it any wider, or else I can never square bale with the size windrows that I'm kicking out. If I make it any narrower, it's definitely going to be worse bunching up than it is now. So I'm kind of between a rock and a hard place when it comes to this rake. Well, it worked out all right. Everything's good. So made a quick 60 bales out of this. No issues. So the cluster gear repair seems to have done it, and she's ready for second cutting.